Hey, so I'm here with May's ColorPlay box, and this is the last one of ColorPlay, and then it's going to ColorPlay Club. And I saw the Color Street spoilers, but I haven't seen any other spoilers besides on a D-Stash group. Someone posted all the sets as I was just innocently scrolling by, but I quickly scrolled past, so I think I saw like lots of pinks and purples. I don't know. They look like my style, but that was just today, and I resisted the urge looking. I'm expecting a lipstick or two because I know they're sending lipsticks in there, and I'm expecting a set. Well, I guess the spoiler had a set, I think, that matched the box, if I remember right. It's been a while, and I don't remember super well, so even if I saw spoilers, if I stayed away from them for a few weeks, I would probably forget. So I think this was the spoiler I saw, so I'm expecting that to be a French tip. We'll set that aside. Oh, that's right. This was the... See, that's how much I remember. This was the year that they had the... the month that they had that pink tube that they said was a brand new product. So it's hand cream. Raspberry pomegranate. Oh, and I forgot to smell the box to check for open sets. I always forget. So I'll put them back in here, close the box, and leave it for a few hours and then smell again. And I'm also getting better at checking for the cracks. I've heard that they've been happening still, so check your sets, smell your packages. Yeah, because that stinks to stick something in your stash and then have it be dry when you go to use it eventually. So experience deep hydration with this limited edition raspberry pomegranate hand cream in a thick, rich formula that melts into skin for a velvety soft finish. I will definitely use this. I'm always putting on lotion. I hope it works well. I hope it's actually moisturizing, because I know some of the like fruity, more fun ones like Bath and Body Works, not actually good lotion, but they smell good. So yeah, so I'm excited for that. That's cool. And then, okay, so it looks like probably 2 lipsticks. Oh, and I should have paid attention what I got last time. I think they were different ones I got. I think these are, I wonder if they're doing anything to try and make sure people don't get duplicates. I kind of expected them to send, we're going to send up all of our 2 of the same, not 2 of the same, but like the same 2 for everyone. But there was a lot of variety I saw later after opening my box from last month. So I think these are new ones though. So, and I don't know if I will wear these, but these look like one of Cassie, if you know her, in Stacy's group. She's my friend in person, and these look like they're probably her colors, and her birthday's coming up. I was gonna get all the lipsticks and just kind of maybe let myself keep a couple after they finish sending them all. So, and I think that's everything here. And the paper looks a lot neater this time. Last time it was like the bottom of the barrel or something. It was very crumbly. And of course you've got your... Okay, now let's get to what we're really here for. The sets. Of course it's all mixed in here. Okay, these are, whoa, okay, wow. Interesting. One of those that I'm like, I don't know if I like it. I'm sure it'll be fun. I don't see any cracks in the package right off the bat. So twist and swirl. I mean, I wonder if it's sheer at all. So if it were sheer, that could be really fun. And that looks like a really pretty gold glitter. It looks gold to me. And I've just got natural light from my window today because it's mid-afternoon. So yeah. Okay, and then we've got, these are like a lot. These are, I bet they're really pretty on. Candy Melt. So it's got some sparkle to it and just pretty fun, bright, summery colors. This was good timing for this box. Sometimes they release things that don't really go with the season, but I feel like this is so fun. Like if you're going for like a summer fair. Oh, that's one I already emptied. For a second I was like, oh my gosh, am I missing one? My goodness. Okay, and it looks like 5 full sets, so this is an awesome value of a box. Okay, that's pretty. Ooh, that's pretty. I can picture a lot of really fun things to do with that, like even like Christmas time, or I probably will break it up. I don't think I will wear it all together, but these would be such fun accent nails. That's pretty. This one's called Paint Party, and then we've got, and that's pretty too. As I said, I'm not like a big tie-dye fan, so, but I feel like these are kind of, I don't know, they're in colors I like, I guess. So Indigo Burst. Uh-oh, I hear a kid. Oh, I hear a husband. Okay, And then I knew it was not a kid when the door opened because I locked it. So, and then we've got Twisted Rainbow. So that's the one from the front. So yeah, a French tip, tie-dye that goes with the cover. Oh, cool. These are fun ones. I don't know that I will wear any of them all together, but they will make excellent accents. And I don't know, some of them could be fun. Like this one looked cute on the model hand. Okay, so Twisted tie-dye. So the bonus item, lock in moisture with an exclusive mini raspberry pomegranate hand cream that smells like summer and feels like velvet. So there's that. I wonder, this sounds like something, the way they did a new product, so maybe they're gonna be releasing this. I don't think. They do have a hand cream, but I don't think the scent is available yet. I could be wrong, but so Twisted Rainbow, glitter dual-ended French. So glitter, Twist and Swirl is a glitter design. That's this one here. And then Candy Melt, a shimmer design. That's here. And then Paint Party. That one's, people are gonna do really fun stuff with this one, I feel like. I don't know. Or it could be one that sits in my collection forever that I never get to wearing, but I think it's probably my favorite of them. I don't know. So that's a glitter design, and then Indigo Burst is a shimmer design. So anyway, so awesome value, especially if you like lipsticks. I'll try to like stick them all here in the screen. Of course, your little side things, and then the hand cream. So thanks for tuning in, and I will catch you guys next time.